What's going on, Griddle Nation? Chef Nathan Lippy here. So 4th of July is right around the corner. I'm sure you guys have plans to do burgers and dogs, and I thought it might be fun to put them together and do burger dogs. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really simple recipe to do bacon cheeseburger dogs. They're delicious and fun. Let's quit talking and get right into the video. The first thing I want to do is get to my bacon. I've got my 22-inch griddle set to medium-high heat. I'm going to add a few pieces of bacon and let those get nice and crispy. Once they're done, we're going to put them on some paper towel and let them drain just a bit. We're going to put down some plastic and then put our 80/20 ground beef right on top. Now we're going to make this kind of flat into a rectangle shape, a little bit longer than our hot dog bun. Now I'm going to season with salt and pepper on the inside, add 1 piece of bacon, and then 1 piece of American cheese that is cut in half. I'm also going to add a little bit of diced yellow onion. Now, almost like sushi, we're going to roll the side of the ground beef up over the top, kind of tucking in all those goodies, make sure everything stays in the middle. Roll both sides. We're going to kind of close it in, seal off all of those gaps. Now we're going to pinch the sides and kind of roll it and squeeze it in. Form it with your hands until it looks like a sausage or a hot dog. Let's do it one more time. We're going to lay out our plastic. We're going to add our 80/20 ground beef, flatten it out, nice big rectangle, add some salt and some pepper. We're going to add a piece of bacon, 1 slice of American cheese cut in half, and then a bit of diced onion. Roll it over the top like sushi, keep all of those goodies on the inside, roll it out nice and even. Make sure to seal all the edges, pinch those sides, add a little bit of salt and pepper to the tops of these, and they are ready for the griddle. Using your spatula, make sure to have some of that beautiful bacon fat, and we're going to throw our burger dogs right down on the hot griddle. And we're going to cook these for 2 minutes or so on each side. You can roll them around, cook them however you like. If you want them to be more done, cook them a little bit longer. If you want them to be more medium, cook them just a little bit less. Basically, what we want is that beautiful crust, that Maillard reaction, and to melt all of the cheese on the inside. These are so delicious. Now I've got a couple of hot dog buns. I'm going to take these gorgeous burger dogs right down on our buns, and this is a classic, so I'm going just ketchup and mustard. Now if you cut these open, you get to see all those goodies on the inside. I mean, check this out. That's so fun. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. You've got all your delicious goodies on the inside. It's one of those things. It's just fun. If you're doing burgers, you're doing dogs, go ahead and throw them in there together. It's going to be a crowd favorite. If you guys want this recipe and a ton more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.